I tell you the truth, whenever you become bitter during your difficult season because of our expectations obonawo ukuthi abantu bazogona ngoba wena wodwa bagona ngeke urecover ngiyakutshela ngoba you won't be pure in your heart yabo amawubona abantu bedlula bebambane ngezandla uyazonda yabo abantu mabehleka uyazonda yabo because now you feel like I'm all by myself here.
Fica baposta lapha ku Facebook bona ngathi baposta ngawe.
Uyabo kanti abanandaba nawo abantu bayiqhubekela nempilo uyabo. And the sad thing, Paul says, you know, when I went to my first trial, no one was there, no one. When I went for my first trial, but God stood with me. And masingadluli ebantwini, we are human. We have limitations. Sometimes asikwazi ukuthwalana sipho, but ukhona uNkulunkulu okwazi ukuthwala umuntu. And mase kuthwele uNkulunkulu musa ukuba ne-bitterness ezothi mawukhuluma kubantu obabizelwe kuloku bakhumbuza ukuthi wawulahla wawuphansi